Hi, so in this question, they've given us the pedigree to us. The pedigree is of inheritance of attached earlobes. It is an autosomal recessive trait. So when we know that it is going to be autosomal recessive trait, first of all, it is, never going to express in the heterozygous form. It will be only be expressed in the homozygous form. Yes, it will only be expressed in the homozygous form. Okay, heterozygous form means the person might be a carrier of the disease. Okay, homozygous means that the person will have the disease. We'll write over here, heterozygous means the person is carrying the disease, and homozygous means that he has actually has the disease, or we can say he's sick of the disease. Okay, so homozygous and heterozygous. Again, it is not present on the X-link, it is present on the autosome. So since it is present on the autosomes, that means it is not going to show, any crisscross inheritance pattern. It is not going to show any crisscross inheritance patterns. That is not from the father to mother, father to the daughter, or from the female to the son, but it could be in any way. It could be from any of the parents. Now, here we have to tell that what is the conclusion that we can draw over here. Okay, now since it is a autosomal disease, so we can see that it is not it's showing the crisscross inheritance pattern over here. And these parents, we have to find out the genotype of these parents. Now, if this parent was homozygous, they would have been shown in the shaded portions. That means both of these parents are not homozygous. One thing that we have found out, that they are not homozygous for sure. Okay, because if they're homozygous, they would have been shaded. Okay, if they were homozygous dominant or recessive, both of them would be visible over here, but none of them is. So that makes a guess that the parents are basically heterozygous for the disease, because we can see that some of their son and daughter has the disease. That means the disease is there in the progeny. It's not just a small a, that it is not there in the progeny. Okay, so here the solution to this will be that the parents are heterozygous. Let's have a look at all the other options also. Option second says parents are homozygous dominant. Well, if they would have been homozygous dominant, then they would have been shown in the shaded portions, but that is not the case. Okay, then third option says parents are homozygous recessive. Again, if they were homozygous recessive, they would have been shown in a shaded case. Okay. Also, this is a autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, but they would have shown in a shaded. But that is not the condition here. Fourth option says none of this. Well, no, we have got our answer. Option number one looks correct to us. So option number one is going to be the correct option for this question.